Today we went to the National Museum of Nature and Science, holding at the entrance. There are big locomotives at the entrance, going down to Plum. We came to the entrance. Let's go inside. Then inside of the museum very spacious. There are many children who come to visit. There is a place called the audio guide desk just inside the entrance. There you can purchase an exploration set. It is intended for preschoolers and their parents or guardians, but anyone can purchase it. The set includes worksheet, an exploration bag, and the original pencil for 400 yen. You can also rent an audio guide device here. English, Chinese, and Korean are supported. Plus, there is one for children. First, we will head to the arts pavilion, but first, let's get something to eat. We headed for the restaurant. It was there around 11:30 a.m., but there were already many people there. At the museum, at the restaurant, there were dishes with dinosaur motif. Children who love dinosaurs will be praised. The menu also indicated allergies. You can also see it on the website, but check the URL in the overview section for details. It is very cute, right? I ate this plate. So after having the meal, we will tour the museum as soon as possible. This is the view of the first floor of the Arts Hall. Visitors can learn about the arts history, navigator, and the diverse creatures of the arts. Next, we come to the second floor of the Arts Hall. This is the corner to explore the arts with science and technology. Visitors can see their own bodies in infrared light and feel magnetic forces. There are many hands-on corners like this. The 4-year-old was able to fully enjoy himself. I highly recommended this museum as it was a fun way to experience science. This is the corner where visitors can experience simulated earthquake. The game was Guess where the epicenter was. It was very popular among the children. It was a device that even adults could enjoy. We came to a place called Compass. It is on the third floor of the Arts Pavilion. This place is by appointment only, and it seems to be a very popular facility and it's not easy to get in. There are many stuffed animals on display in the facility. It is very fun to see them up close. Children can freely play inside the facility like this. There are slides, athletic facilities, a picture book corner, and the craft corner. You can put your face out here, the blue one. And it seems that if you ask the kids to put their face out, they can become a very interesting Japanese deer. Children and adults must enter in pairs, so there are quite a few adults here. There are 100 yen coin lockers at the entrance, so one option is to leave your luggage there, and you can play in here with kids freely. There are adults in this facility, and the adults can also play together. This is a Tyrannosaurus fossil. There was a hole under the fossil. I went in. When I looked up, to my surprise, I could see the fossil of Tyrannosaurus from the bottom. It was very interesting, and kids seem to be very having a lot of fun. And it's not often that adults get excited about something like this. This is a picture book corner. There are many babies and parents reading picture book here. There was also a corner where animals were introduced on a touch panel. Next, we went to the dinosaur fossil section. It was located on the first basement floor of the Arts Pavilion. There were dinosaurs such as Tyrannosaurus. There were no moving dinosaurs, only fossils. Are these dinosaur eggs? No, 顎かな? Incidentally, there is a place called Theater 360 on the first floor of the Japan Pavilion, where dinosaur videos are sometimes shown. The entire 360-degree area is used as a screen, and visitors can enjoy loud sound and images on the screen. This time, they were not showing dinosaur videos, but it depends on the time of the year. This is also a facility where dinosaurs can be enjoyed. Finally, we will end today's exploration by going to a souvenir shop and having dessert. Thank you very much for watching to the end. See you again in the next video. Goodbye!